Hi, I'm Jack from Make Me a DJ, and in this video we're going to be doing a slip reverse style effect in Ableton. Right, so reversing drums, this is something that I hear quite a lot in a whole wide range of different genres, including techno to house to tech house, etc. Sometimes just before the drop, what you'll hear is like reverse drum samples. It can be used as quite an effective tool, really. I just wanted to dive in and take a little closer look. So if you just take a listen to this quick beat, which I've just put together, we're just looking out for a good place to add a reverse in here, similar to like a slip reverse on a CDJ, for instance. So as you can hear there, a good place to add this in would be that last bar just before the drop. Now, when we're working with audio, it's fairly easy to do. We can just split it using Command and E as a shortcut, or just by right-clicking and selecting split. And then just down in the bottom right, we can hit the reverse button. And I'm just going to reverse our closed hat, which is labeled CH. So reversing audio is fairly easy, but the problem that I've got is some of these other channels are in MIDI. So as a workaround for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a new audio track. I'm going to select the input to resampling. As you can see, I've got our drum group soloed. I'm going to arm it to record. And then I'm just going to select the region where I want to record and hit the record button. That's cool. We sampled one bar. I just need to crop it a little bit. And I'm going to deactivate the arm button. And now I'm just going to right click and select reverse. Alternatively, you can do it in the clip window as well, just in the bottom right there. So now I'm going to solo this, take a listen to what we've got. So that sounds cool. It definitely gives us that slip reverse style effect. But what I need to do is just select that last bar before the drop and deactivate it using 0 on the keyboard. So that's sounding pretty good. We've managed to resample our whole entire drum group and reverse it as a whole rather than having to do all of the individual tracks separately. Now I'm going to take it one step further. I'm going to grab our kick drum. I'm going to duplicate this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze and flatten. And what that's going to do is it's going to print it to audio. So this is real handy if you're ever wanting to reverse just an individual MIDI track. You know, you can do it quite easily this way. I'm just going to rename this to reverse kick and give it its own color. Maybe just give it a slightly darker shade of blue just so that we can see it. But as you can see there, we've just got the one bar of kick drums, which is being printed to audio. And we just reverse it by clicking the reverse button down in the bottom right of the clip window once again. I can delete this original kick that was there, and we can just give it a play now. So there we go. There's a really simple way to use a slip reverse style effect within your own productions. It's a great way to transition to different sections of your track, something that can sound quite cool as well. And as always, if you go on to use this, let us know about it in the comments. And don't forget, we've got plenty more content like this coming in the future.